My name is Robert Duyal. I'm an auxiliary operator here at Honua Ola. I was born and raised here on the Big Island. My first impression is, wow, look what they did with the old sugar mill. So to me personally, Honua Ola is important because the obvious, it provides jobs, a lot of jobs here locally. We're not moving away and losing our culture on the mainland or wherever else. You have to go to find jobs. We need jobs here locally to help our economy. I'm an active person and outdoors in the water, and to me, you're more connected with the environment outside when you're outside doing activities. I'm actively swimming in rivers, running along the streets, and I want to breathe fresh air, swim in nice clean water. As far as our green initiative, we've been burning oil, fossil fuel for too long. It's a step in the right direction for us to get off of our dependency on fossil fuels, which is a finite object, versus wood chips, where we can plant, harvest, grow our own fuel for producing energy. We're doing something great over there in Pepekil. We turned an old sugar mill into a power plant, and now we're burning trees that we grow here. We plant here, we harvest here, burn, and replant and grow and harvest. Whereas before, all we're burning is fossil fuel that we need to depend on from overseas. We're in the middle of the Pacific, isolated from everyone else. So it's important to have another option, and that option that we can grow here and sustain here.